Okay, yes. Hello, everybody. Today we're gonna be talking about USD God, and it's another day. We find an opportunity for the next week, right? Yeah. So this is on the 12th month, and while what I'm seeing on the 12th month is that price is in the bullish move right now, and why is it in a bullish move? Because it had broke this level right here. So when we broke that level, price made some bullish move of this price and rejected going up. That's on the 12th. When we go down on the 6 month, price, price is in the bullish move, and it's made on a high and left on a low down there, and that low, I'm gonna take it as a structural point, cause to what I see right here, to my scenarios, when price when price surpass down and break up, this down here remains as a structural point. That means when price comes back down, it's going to respect the invalidation of the structural point for it go up. But in case that all doesn't happen, it has to have some reason between, like the way price did right there. Like price went down, went up, came back down and broke up, but it didn't come all the way down. It reached a certain point, and it's about to make a new high too. So that's on the 6 month. When we go down on the 3 month, on the 3 month, yes, on the 3 month, when we go on the line chart, we have this song right here. This place right here. Price left an invalidation right there, but this invalidation, remember, it's on the 3 month, and we coming all the way up from the 12th month. So this invalidation, the downer one, is the one made the price to not reach all the way down here to come and test the invalidation point of the structure. This is the reason why it didn't come all the way down here. But in case price would have just go up, down, up and down, and up, price would have come back down and moved up. But that scenario didn't happen over there. So we're gonna look on what happened at the moment. So this is the validational point on the 3 month. Okay. Now we switch. We go 1 month. 1 month. What we see right here, when price reached at the point, at the validational point, price went up and price went up and broke the highs on the month. So it reached that point, and that tells us that this price is still on a bullish move. So what we're gonna find, we find in the bullish moves only. You see, look at this structure right here. Just like I was explaining back then, the price went up, came down, went up, came down, went up. The structures are well defined, like price went down, up. Price came and test the structures. Why? Because price had broke the lower highs, and price broke price broke down and price broke up too. So that's the reason why we're gonna be looking at the downer point or the invalidational point. The price is gonna come all the way down to reach that point. So that's on our on monthly, and on monthly we see that this is a structural point that price cannot break, or price cannot close within it. It can close, but within a month price must close with a week, not a full body. So that's on the monthly. We go down on weekly, 1 week. On 1 week, what we see is price is in bullish move because price broke the lower high, and and we're gonna take this as a correction for it to create a new higher high. So on the weekly, what we see here is first, price is in a bullish move, but what we see here is we had this lower high here. Price went up and price broke down. It means it changed structure to the weekly. Like price might sell in a bit, but what I'm trying to tell here is on the weekly, price is gonna sell, but for this sell, for us to know that this is a correction, and this correction has not and doesn't have to break this zone right here. Why? Because when price comes and break this zone, it means that it have changed the whole structure. So we're gonna have to find another bullish move down here or up here in a lower time frames, because we broke there. Price wanna go up, but in case price comes right here and taps without breaking it and goes up in a bit, then we're gonna find some lower to go. That's what I want to say and share with you right there. So here, when we look at the line chart, price is gonna sell, but it doesn't, and it shouldn't break this lower low down there, because if it breaks, it's gonna indicate that it's have changed the whole structure. So when we go on the daily, when we switch on the daily, this is what we have on the daily. Let me try to see it here. Okay, this is what we have on the daily. Price went up, price came back, up, down, and moved. So price left a structural point right there. So that means price might sell, but this sell might end anywhere, but haitakiwi kuvunja mstari, haitakiwi kuvunja the lower low, not any lower low, but the lower low of the whole structure. The structure that structured the whole structure, the lower low, it doesn't to break down low. So we're gonna wait for the confirmations for us to know if it's gonna come all the way down, or it's not gonna come. So this is on the daily. On the daily, we see the price. First price. On the daily, we see price broke the structure first, indicating that bullish are in the move right now and they forcing the market to go up. And price left a lower low. I mean the structural point. Price left the structural point. Price left. And look at here. We are in bullish move on the higher time frames, but we had on the lower time frames we have some sort of a sell momentum. You see, but look, just because we are in a higher time frame trend, I mean, I'm talking about the high time frames. I don't want to mix up with these small time frames. This sell momentum is on the small time frames. So when price made that, we actually we were looking on this zone right here, because price actually left a lower high and came in broke it. So we were looking at this level and this level. The price shouldn't break, even if it should break, but at the end of the day, it have to close above the zone, and that's what I'm seeing right here. And yeah, that's what I'm seeing right here. Price broke, price went up, came down, but it didn't broke the level. I mean, it broke, but at the end of the day, it jumped up and left a wool wick down here. So yeah, that's on the daily. Then we go on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we see on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we have the lower high broken. I mean, price broke the zone, and bullish are in the move right now on the lower time frames. But we know the high time frames are bullish too, so we riding with the high time frames. We don't want to mix up with it lower. On 3. Oh, look at this week. I wished I would have been here. On the 2 hour time frames. 2 hour, it's the same thing. That's the same low. On the 1 hour, I mean 1 hour change. This acts as the low. On the 45 minutes, the same. 30 minutes, the same. 15 minutes are the same. Let me try to go low on the 3 minute. Whoa, this is insane. To my view right here, this ain't scary. I mean, it shouldn't scary at all, cause price is in a bullish move, and what I see here is price was from a selling pressure. I mean, it was from a selling pressure. It came down and broke the lower high. So what I'm seeing right here is price might make a new high and break down to taste the last floor hole. for it to go in, for it to move in the same direction to the higher time frames. Direction same with the higher time frames. So that's my view, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep my entry. I'm over there, my long entry bullish. Risking about 25 pips. My risk to reward ratio. Let me see. Yeah, I might be aiming. Let me find my TP, my first TP first. Let's look at this structure. Yeah, I think that's gonna be my first TP right there. It's about 140 pips, but actually that's my first TP. But when we go on the big move, I mean when we look at the high time frames, we see that this is still a bullish move. I mean, like price my move. It might move in waves and never come back down till they reach at the point right there. That's when we're gonna see if it's gonna break the lower highs for us to find another selling pressure. But for right now, we looking on the buy move, and yeah, we're looking on the buy move. So the buy move on the weekly. On a weekly, we're gonna hold to the which it's about 200 pips. The price is gonna it's gonna make a new high already by that time. But this is my view, and I'm wishing y'all the best for the entry, for the risk, and everything. So yeah, we're gonna meet on another video. If I'm gonna make another video, we're gonna meet, and everything is gonna sort out right here. Even if we miss this entry back here, there is no worries, because price still is gonna give up some more entries, because what we see here is price moved, broke, and moved, broke the move and broke. So we're expecting price to come on top of entry. Even if it won't, then price will break this zone right here, and we're gonna find some 1 hour, and we're gonna move with the trend too. So we shouldn't worry, even if we haven't been tapped, or we won't be tapped. We shouldn't worry about that, because entries are always gonna be coming. Because if you know the high move, if you know what price is doing right now, what he's gonna do in each and everything, you're in the right place. So thanks, and it's your boy fella.